All right, guys, it's time for break number 18. This is the Purdy box, guaranteed. So last box out of this 6-box case. And so we've always been pulling the Purdys out of this last box in each of the first 3 cases. So we'll have to mix it up next. I've got 3 more, and then I've just ordered a 4th case. So we've got a ton more of these that we're going to be doing. So hopefully we'll pull some other big names over those cases like Steph Curry and Giannis and some of those other ones. So break number 18, every spot in the break gives you 2 random last name letters. So Brett, you've got 5 spots in this. Brent's got 3. Michael, you've got 2. So let's see who's going to get the last name P. All right, let's mix up the letters first. We'll randomize it 5 times. Whoop. Let's try that again. 2 spots. Not 3. All right, let's mix this up 5 times as well. See who's going to get P. All right, guys, here we go. So, Brent, you've got last name letters M, E, T, V, N, and K. Brett's got A, G, R, H, B, D, Y, F, L, and J. And Michael got it, man. C, W, P, and S. Michael's had a ton of luck with these randoms getting Purdy. All right, well, here we go. Let's see if it's a 1 of 1. All right, there it is. Another Brock Purdy, and it is a 1 of 1. Congratulations, man. Diamond autograph. It's got a cool, can't really tell what kind of, there's some kind of like refractor pattern on the back. I can't really tell what it is. Yeah, I'm going to mix the next case up for sure. I guess that they did that to ensure that Brock Purdy got an auto in each one. They just put that in there before they filled the rest of the case, I guess. All right, guys. So, Mike, congratulations, man. We'll get that in the mail tomorrow. And we'll continue to work through these boxes and these cases coming up over the next few weeks.